Wednesday, October 2nd, 2024. The Holy Guardian Angels. Focus. In heaven, the angels always see the face of my Father. The first reading tells us that God promises protection by His angel on our journey along the path we choose. But the condition applies to His promise that we listen and obey His prompting. The psalmist retaliates his full faith in my God, in whom I trust, and faith brings hope. No evil shall be allowed to befall you, no plague come near your tent, for he will command his angels concerning you to guard you in all your way. From the beginning of human life until death, we are surrounded by the watchful care, guidance, and intercession of angels. Besides, each believer stands an angel as protector and shepherd, leading them to life. Jesus also commands us not to despise little ones, because their angels always see the face of my Father. So beloved are they to God in their innocence. Our guardian angel protects, directs, and prays for us who are under his care. He enlightens, inspires, and disposes our mind to receive the trust of the faith. He protects us from physical and other harm and guides us in every important decision. He carries our prayers to God and will carry us to heaven when we die. Fruit. I will revere my guardian angel and pray heed to his direction, grateful for his constant care and protection.